So here's how to free up disk space on Windows. It's quite simple, guys. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and simply find out the run. Alright. Then from here you need to first write it down, clean mgr, and then hit OK. Alright. Then it will open up the disk cleanup for you. So you need to select that disk like C drive, then you need to tap on OK. So as you can see, we got a brown box right over here. So most of the cases the junk file or temp file will be arrived here. So as you can see, we have selected like 581 MB. So it can be bigger in your case. So you can simply select all of these, and this is the thing. Then simply tap on the OK, and then simply tap on delete files, and it will delete up all the temp file into your PC C drive. Alright, so it will take some time. After that you need to go to the run again, and then this time you need to search for temp, tmp temp, and then tap on OK. So here is the Windows temporary files that is being created every day. So if you are not cleaning this up for like a year or two, so this file can be like bigger than 1 GB or 2 GB. So for that reason you need to select all of this, just get rid of it by tapping on delete button and then try again. So that's how you can get rid of the temp file. And then again you can do like going to the downloads folder, and as you can see there are lots of downloading file over here. You can select all of those, and as you can see in the properties that it contains over 2 GBs of files. So you can simply delete these files onto the download and clear up some space in the C drive as well. And also you can see there are lots of documents file over here. You can simply delete all of these and get rid of many MBs and GBs of storage over here. And same for the pictures and videos as well. So you can remove all of this to free up some of the space. And lastly, what you can simply do is to go to this file, this PC, and then from here you need to go to the local disk and then go to the Windows, and you need to search for software distribution right over here. So go to that folder and then select the download, and as you can see here is the thing. So these files are the cache file for the previous Windows update that you have done into your PC, like the previous Windows file. So if you are not deleting it regularly, then this file can be like taking 1 or 2 GB up to 10 or 20 GB as well. So you need to select all of these and simply tap on delete and continue to delete all of these files. Alright, and lastly, what you can simply do, just go to your recycle bin and simply tap on empty recycle bin and just delete all of the trash files into this, and this will clear up all the space that recycle bin is taking. So that's how you can simply clear up space or free up disk space on Windows. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if all these method works for you or not, and we'll see you very next time.